people keep banging their heads against the same damn wall when it comes to seed funding. Founders are out there hustling every day, pouring sweat and soul into ideas that could change everything. Yet time after time, they hit a brick wall called capital. You know the feeling. You've been burned by vague pitches, ghost investors, endless gatekeepers, and that soul-crushing silence when you hit send on a deck and hear nothing back. Meanwhile, angel investors, they're drowning in noise. Hundreds of startups, but how many are truly worth their time? They watch their hard-earned capital evaporate on hype and empty promises, growing skeptical, colder, almost numb. Everyone's frustrated, stuck in stale patterns that kill potential before it even starts. But here's the brutal truth nobody says. The old ways are dying, and nobody's ready to admit it. The system for finding real gems is broken, slow, opaque, biased, and stuck in a boring loop. If you're waiting for the same handshake or the same pitch deck to work miracles, you're wasting your time. Emerging technologies, AI, blockchain, decentralized networks, smart contracts, they aren't just buzzwords. They're the wrecking balls smashing this old system to bits. This isn't about fancy tech for tech's sake. This is a chance to flip the script completely. Forget the gatekeepers who decide who gets the money based on who they know or what school they went to. Technology now lets founders connect directly with investors who actually get it, who see beyond spreadsheets to real potential. Look at AI tools that cut through noise and spot startups that are actually moving markets, not just promising to. Or blockchain platforms making deal flow transparent and built to prevent shady plays, so trust comes automatically. No bureaucratic nonsense. Every step, from discovery to term sheets, can get faster, clearer, fairer. This isn't just convenience. It's justice for those being ignored, for ideas buried because they don't fit old molds. But here's what's crazy. Most people don't know how to grab this chance because they're stuck looking only at surface stuff. If you're an investor, stop wasting time on shiny pitches and start leveraging AI-powered deal sourcing to identify patterns nobody else sees. Look for founders using tech themselves to build smarter, those who understand this new reality. If you're a founder, don't just chase capital like it's a checklist. Build your visibility through platforms that reward real engagement and use emerging tools to decentralize control, direct tokenized ownership, transparent equity, community participation. You want funding? Become impossible to ignore because you're not waiting for permission. The biggest edge? Connecting with the right people who get this new tech and see the future, not the past. Don't build networks randomly. Find autonomous circles that work differently. Demand transparency, demand merit, reward real progress. Technology can bring these groups together with zero friction. If you're still waiting for some traditional system to open doors, you're already falling behind. Here's the bottom line. This is a revolution hiding in plain sight. If you keep doing what everyone else does, you'll keep losing. But if you use emerging tech right away, you turbocharge your network, your insight, your deal flow, you don't just get ahead. You change the entire seed funding game. You stop begging for scraps and start building real, lasting value. That's how the rare do it. The founders and investors who refuse to settle or play by old rules. They take control. They reshape the future because they use the new tools that break old barriers. So stop whining about a broken system and start hacking it. Use AI to find deals that others miss. Use blockchain to make your investments bulletproof. Use decentralized systems to connect with real founders, investors, and partners who want the same serious results. This is your chance to stop being frustrated and start owning the new seed funding era. Don't wait for permission. Get up, plug in, and run the game on your terms, because the next big breakthrough won't wait for anyone. This is your moment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.